in a world where the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat is all tainted with tiny invisible plastic particles. To some of you, this might sound like science fiction, but I'm here today to tell you it's the reality. In fact, 10 to 30 nanograms of microplastics are released in the air daily from opening plastic bottles and wrappers. A liter of bottled water contains around 240,000 micro and nanoplastics. And humans ingest plastic worth a credit card in their weekly diet. Micro and nanoplastics are either intentionally manufactured for certain applications or created as a result of the breakdown of larger plastic debris. Despite their small size and no matter their origin, micro and nanoplastics pose a threat to the ecosystem and human health. To control the release of these tiny particles in the environment, we have to first be able to reliably detect them. Surface Enhanced Raman Spectroscopy, or in short SERS, is in fact a technique that can help us detect these micro and nanoplastics. You might ask, what exactly is SERS? Well, when light interacts with matter, it gets absorbed, transmitted, reflected, and scattered. Some of the scattered light, called Raman scattering, is very interesting as it contains information of the chemical composition of the matter that the incident light interacted with. However, Raman scattering is a very small section of the scattered light, so it is inherently low in intensity. So it is very difficult to detect small concentration of these tiny particles using this scattering process. However, no need to worry just yet because SERS can help enhance the Raman scattering signal. Now what happens here is that in the presence of substrates based on metallic nanostructures, when the light interacts with these metallic nanostructures, it generates a localized light field around those metallic nanostructures. So now the Raman scattering is from both the incident light and the light around these metallic nanostructures. Therefore, we get an enhanced Raman scattered signal, which in fact is the SERS signal. In my project, I'm working on developing unique substrates that enable detection of very low quantities of micro and nanoplastics. I would like to conclude by saying that my research will provide the ability to reliably determine the presence of micro and nanoplastics, which is in fact needed to help formulate and enforce regulations to monitor the release of these tiny particles, therefore helping protect ecosystem and all living beings within it.